Today I'll be showing you how to do a back post double crochet. Many times this crochet stitch can be intimidating when you see it in a pattern. In this video I'll show you how to master it with practice. To begin, we'll need a slip knot on our hook and to have some chains. I'm going to go ahead and chain 15 here. And then we need to work a foundation row of double crochet across. So I'm going to do my first double crochet in the third chain from our hook and keep working double crochets all the way to the end of the row. Now we will chain 2 and flip our work over. This chain 2 is going to count as our first double crochet and be our edge. So we're going to go down to this double crochet, and this is the one we're going to be working around for our back post. First we need to yarn over, and then what I like to do here is pop that post back with my thumb, especially at first to get this pattern going, and then we're going to insert our hook right there and put it all the way through. Then we're going to grab the working yarn and pull it back through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Then we'll work on our second one. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook, grab the working yarn, pull it back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. As you can see, that second one I didn't need to pop out as much, and it does keep getting easier as you go. Here it is in slow motion for you. And it really is that simple. I actually find the back post double crochet a little bit easier than the front post double crochet. So just give this a lot of practice until you feel comfortable with it. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button for me and let me know in the comments below if there are any other stitches that you'd like to learn.